In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download one page from a Google Doc. By the end, you will have a single page saved as its own PDF file. First, open your Google Doc. Make sure it is the document that has the page you want to save. You can open it from Google Drive or from your recent documents in Google Docs. Wait for the document to finish loading so that all pages are clearly visible. Now, go to the page you want to download. Scroll through the document until that page is centered on your screen. You do not need to select any text or highlight anything. Having the correct page visible just helps you double-check the page number in a moment. Next, click File, then click Print. You will find File in the top left corner of the Google Docs window. When you choose Print, a new print preview window or panel opens. You should see a preview of your document pages on the left or in the center, and print options on the right. In the Print Settings window, find the setting called Pages or Page Range. This is usually near the top of the options, just below the destination printer setting. It might show All by default, which means every page would be printed or saved. We are going to change that so only one page is used. From there, select the option labeled Custom or Pages. On some browsers, it might say Custom. On others, it might say Pages, but it controls the same thing. Once you choose it, a small box appears where you can type the page numbers you want. At this point, you are telling Google Docs exactly which pages to include. Enter the single page number you want, for example 3, to get only page 3. If the page you want is page 5, type 5, and so on. Make sure you type just one number and not a range, otherwise more than one page will be included. You can confirm you chose the right page by checking that the print preview now shows only that one page. Next up, set the printer or destination to Save to PDF. In the print window, look for the printer or destination field and open its list. Choose the option that mentions Saving as PDF, often called Save to PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF, depending on your system. When this is selected, you are creating a file instead of using a physical printer. After that, click Save. The label might be Save or Print, but with the PDF destination chosen, it will open a Save dialog. You will see your operating system asking where to store the new PDF file. This confirms that the file will be created rather than printed on paper. Choose where you want to save the PDF on your computer. You can pick a folder like Desktop or Documents so you can find it easily later. You can also change the file name here if you want something more descriptive, like Project Page 3. Once everything looks good, you are ready for the final confirmation. Finally, click Save. The dialog will close and the PDF file is created in the folder you chose. When you open that PDF, you will see it contains only the single page you selected from your Google Doc. You just learned how to turn one page from a Google Doc into its own PDF file. So if this helped, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Google Docs tips.